Hi, good morning. Our topic for today is all about polynomial functions, identifying if the given is a polynomial or not a polynomial. What is the leading term? What is a degree, leading coefficient, and constant term? And of course, um, converting a given into standard form. This will be our learning objective for today, and that is illustrates polynomial functions. Polynomial function. A polynomial function is a function of the form p of x equals a sub n x raised to n plus a sub n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 x raised to n minus 2, so on and so forth, plus a sub 1 x plus a sub 0, wherein a sub n is not equal to 0. And there are different important terms, that is coefficient, leading term, leading coefficient, and constant term. And these are the important terms. Number 1, degree. When we say degree, this is the highest exponent in a given. Number 2, leading term. When we say leading term, these are the terms with highest exponent. Number 3, leading coefficient. When we say leading coefficient, these are the numbers written in front of the variable with the largest exponent. Number 4, constant term. When we say constant term, it does not contain any modifiable variables. And number 5, standard form. When we say in standard form, these are the decreasing powers of x. Let us have an example. Number 1, y equals 45x squared minus 45 plus 66x plus 6x cubed. Arrange this given into standard form. Find the degree, the leading coefficient, the leading term, and the constant. So if we will going to arrange the given, let us arrange first in decreasing order. Meaning to say, ang kanilang exponent dapat ay mula mataas pababa. So let us answer. This will be the standard form. Ano ang may pinakamataas na exponent? And that is 6x cubed. 6x cubed plus 45x squared plus 66x minus 45. This is the standard form. What is the degree? Anong ibig sabihin ng degree? The highest exponent, and that is cube. That is 3. What is the leading term? Ang leading term, yung term na may pinakamataas na exponent, and that is 6x cubed. What is the leading coefficient? Ang leading coefficient, yung number na kasama doon sa may leading term. So, that is 6. Leading coefficient is 6. And what is the constant? The constant will be negative 45. Next given. F of x equals x raised to 4 plus 3x squared plus 12x minus 10 plus 4x cubed. Arrange in standard form, meaning to say, ang kanilang exponent ay in descending order from highest to lowest. Obviously, ang pinakamataas na exponent ay ang x raised to 4. So, x raised to 4 followed by 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 12x minus 10. That is the standard form. What is the degree? Meaning to say, pinakamataas na exponent, and that is 4. What is the leading term? So, yung term, leading term, yung term na may pinakamataas na exponent, and that is x raised to 4. What is the leading coefficient? Ang leading coefficient, yung number na kasama noong may pinakamataas na exponent. So, obviously, there is an invisible 1. Kaya, 1 siya. And then, what is the constant? The constant is negative 10. Now, let us arrange the given in descending order. Find the degree, the leading coefficient, and the constant term of a given polynomial equation. So, pag sinabi natin descending order, dapat naka-arrange ang polynomial expression from the highest degree pababa. And then, ang degree, kung ano yung kanyang pinakamataas na exponent. Ang leading coefficient naman ay matatagpuan sa may pinakamataas na exponent kung ano yung kasama niyang number. And then, ang constant term, pag sinabi natin constant term, number lang siya. Wala siyang kasamang kahit anong variable. So, let us try to answer the following. The given in number 1 is x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed minus x squared plus 14x minus 56. Arrange the following in descending order. Pag sinabing in descending order, dapat naka-arrange ang kanyang exponent mataas, mula mataas pababa. So, 4, 3, 2, there is invisible 1 and then the constant. So, obviously, in number 1, naka-arrange na siya. That's why you're going to write it na lang. X raised to 4 plus 2x cubed minus x squared plus 14x minus 56. What is the degree? Again, ang degree yung highest exponent. So, ano ba yung highest exponent mo? That is 4. So, the degree is 4. What is the leading coefficient? Ang leading coefficient ay matatagpuan kung ano yung kasamang number ng highest degree mo. So, automatic, dahil 4 ang highest degree mo, ano yung kasama yung number dito sa unahan? So, there is an invisible 1. Kaya, ang leading coefficient mo ay 1. And what is the constant term? Pag sinabing constant term, walang kasamang variable. And that is negative 56. Next, given number 2. F of x equals 2 minus 11x plus 2x squared. Arrange the following in descending order. So, obviously, this is the constant. This is raised to 1 and this is raised to 2. So, binaligtad siya. Write it in descending order. 2x squared plus or minus, susundan natin yung kasunod, yung sign ng kasunod, that is minus 11x plus 2. What is the highest degree? So, the highest degree is 2. What is the leading coefficient? Ano yung kasamang number ng may pinakamataas na degree? That is 2. And what is your constant? That is also 2. Next, given number 3. F of x equals 2x cubed over 3 plus 5 over 3 plus 15x. Ano ang may pinakamataas na exponent? So, yun yung unang isusulat. Arrange in descending order. 2x cubed over 3. Susundan siya ng 15x plus 5 over 3. What is the highest degree? Or what is the degree? That is 3. And then, what is the leading coefficient? Ano ba yung number na kasama ng 2x cubed over 3? That is 2 over 3. And what is your constant? Yung walang kasamang variable. That is 5 over 3. Next, last given. Y equals x times x squared minus 5. Arrange it in descending order. Obviously, hindi pa siya yung pinaka-final na product. So, that's why you need to multiply x to the following, to the given binomial. So, distribute mo siya. X times x squared, the answer is x cubed. And then, x times negative 5, the answer is negative 5x. So, ito yung magiging given mo. And then, arrange in descending order. Obviously, naka-arrange na siya. X cubed minus 5x. What is your degree? That is 3. What is the leading coefficient? There is an invisible 1 there. So, your leading coefficient is 1. And what is your constant term? Wala namang nakalagay na constant. So that's why you're going to write it as 0. Let us define polynomial expression. A polynomial expression P of x is an expression of the form a sub n x raised to n plus a sub n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 x raised to n minus 2 plus so on and so forth, wherein a sub n is not equal to 0, and where the non-negative integer n is called the degree of the polynomial, and the coefficients a sub 0, a sub 1, so on and so forth, up to a sub n are real numbers. How to identify if the given is a polynomial or not a polynomial? These are the conditions how to identify if the given is not a polynomial. Number 1, if there is a negative exponent. Number 2, if there is a fractional exponent. Number 3, there is a variable on the denominator. And number 4, there is a variable under the radical sign. Let us now answer this activity, spot the difference. Look at each pair of expression below and then identify the expression that is not a polynomial from each. Give reasons for your answer. So let us try to compare number 1, letter A and B. Sa unang given, sa number 1, the given is 2x plus 1. Sa letter B naman ay 2 over x plus 1. Kung mapapansin nyo, magkaiba ang posisyon ng x. Dun sa letter A, nasa tabi siya ng 2. At sa letter B, nasa denominator siya. Alin kaya dito ang hindi polynomial? Tama! Ang hindi polynomial dito ay ang letter B. So this is not a polynomial. Bakit? Because there is a variable on the denominator. So, therefore, letter B is not a polynomial. Number 2, spot the difference. The given is x raised to negative 3 plus 2x squared minus 7. Samantalang sa letter B, ang given ay x cubed plus 2x squared minus 7. Kung mapapansin, magkaiba sila ng exponent sa unang given o sa unang term. Yung isa ay negative sa letter A, yung sa kabila naman ay positive. Alin kaya ang hindi polynomial sa given na ito? Tama! Ang hindi polynomial dito ay itong letter A. X raised to negative 3 plus 2x squared minus 7 is not a polynomial because there is a negative exponent. Let us continue on number 3. The given in number 3 under letter A is 2 square root of x, while in letter B, x square root of 2. Ano ang pinagkaiba nilang dalawa? So, sa letter A, merong variable under the radical sign which is x. At sa letter B naman, ang nasa ilalim ng radical sign ay 2. Alin kaya ang hindi polynomial dito? Tama! Letter A. That is not a polynomial because there is a variable under the radical sign. Number 4. In number 4, letter A, the given is 2x cubed minus 3x raised to 1/2 plus x minus 4. Under naman ng letter B ay 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus x minus 4. pangalawang term. Sa pangalawang term ay 1/2 ang kanyang exponent, samantalang sa letter B naman ay whole number 2. Alin kaya ang hindi polynomial dito? Tama! Ang hindi polynomial dito ay itong letter A. Because there is a fractional exponent. Next, number 5, last given. X plus 5 times 9x plus 1 squared plus x minus 4. Samantalang sa letter B, the given is x plus 5 times 9x plus 1 raised to negative 2 all over x minus 4. Alin kaya ang hindi polynomial dito? Tama, itong letter B ang hindi polynomial. Bakit? Dahil makikita ang kanyang exponent or meron siyang negative 2 na exponent. At the same time, meron siyang variable